What is this? Have you ever seen anything like it? Look again. And again. It's a tiny, contracting train, truly a fascinating natural locomotive. A beautiful journey we can't quite join, but certainly one to admire. It's a landmark in the animal kingdom's most captivating locomotion patterns. The movement is simple, yet its systematic rhythm creates one of the most compelling patterns of movement in the world. This is our exploration into that rhythm. The ultimate freedom in the world is the natural freedom found on Earth. This miraculous place, called the universe, is a creation full of unimaginable, amazing and breathtaking events and sights. Living beings play a great role in this. Living is a doctrine not common only to plants. The essence, value and beauty of this planet, where you and I live, are constantly revealed before your eyes in the visual reports of the YouTube channel Freedom on Earth. Most living beings have at least 2 legs. That's a fact we all know. But among creatures with a vast number of legs and those with just 2, who possesses the most graceful way of walking? Most likely, your answer would be the 2-legged creature. However, today, I'm going to prove to you that this is actually untrue. The more legs a creature has, the more rhythm is created in its movement. This rhythmic walking pattern emerges from uniform, synchronized movements. This creature, known as the millipede, belongs to several diverse groups. They can be seen in various body colors, sizes, and with different names. The millipede is one of the oldest terrestrial animals. At first glance, they don't harm humans. However, they can sometimes become household and garden pests. They can be a particular nuisance, especially around greenhouses, as they can cause severe damage to emerging seedlings. In terms of modern-day size, their maximum length ranges between 27 and 38 centimeters. Currently, the longest recorded millipede is the Giant African Millipede. There are approximately 12,000 known species of millipedes. As food, they consume decaying leaves and small dead plants, while some also eat fungi. They use their 2 antennae, located below their eyes, to sense their direction of travel, grasp food, and fulfill all other necessities. They prefer to reside in tropical areas where there are fewer earthworms and more leaf litter. They are most often found in cool, damp places. Born from an egg, They spend a short period of time growing from a small size to their full adult size. This largely depends on the nutritional quality of the food they consume. External threats also affect their growth process and lifespan. While they love moisture, they have very little affinity for spending time in water itself. Their movement is often quite slow. Their legs provide a steady forward thrust for their body. These thrusts occur in a uniform, synchronized process, which shows a clear rhythm to their movement. This creates a beautiful movement pattern. The primary defense mechanism of millipedes is to coil themselves into a spiral shape when threatened. This protects all of their legs and other delicate areas. The head region is mainly protected. Their reproductive process occurs when the male mounts the female's back. During this, the male's legs transfer sperm to the female. What is truly fascinating is that while this process is taking place, the female maintains her normal movement pattern. She performs her tasks while the male carries her on her back and moves steadily, seemingly effortlessly. He is also the creature with the most legs on Earth. On average, they have between 30 and 100 legs, the number varying depending on their size. When they move, you can see their legs moving in wave-like segments, propelling them forward. Often, you only see members of the same species reproducing. When each millipede is in danger, they will also defecate from their anal region, which emits an unpleasant odor that is harmful to other animals. This odor has some bacterial properties. After a short time, once the perceived danger has passed, they reactivate and resume their journey. Nature is a haven of scientific, creative, and balanced existence. Its uniqueness cannot be matched, even in the present day, by anything else. It is a generous and balanced distribution. It spreads its wonder to living beings, plants, air, water, light, and darkness, without distinction, at the opportune moment, and in the most fitting manner. All who are nourished by this touch are unique and beneficial beings who are obedient to nature. If you to become obedient and surrender to it, nature will call out to you. Its blessings will constantly protect you. Become a receiver of nature's gifts. Connect with us. Join freedom on Earth. Please also share your thoughts with us. I would love to know your likes and dislikes regarding my presentations. Based on your preference, we will try to expand this video. Join us in releasing the message of appreciating nature. Thank you, dear viewer. I also invite you to watch a previous video on my channel.